mistakes are people losing tightness in the upper back, and so this tends to turn into a bit of a shrug here. Of course, that's not a very good position for your shoulders, so we want to maintain that tightness, not be here. The other thing that we see, so we've got a tight upper back and the chest is high. When we lower, commonly we'll see people who are new drop the chest and lose tightness, which is definitely to be avoided. Okay, what we want it to look like is
Got it.
that. So the last thing that happens is that we want to have drive through the legs. So we're going to have tightness, and from here we're going to drive, and that drive helps us get the first movement of the bar. What happens though often is people will either they use no legs and they can get completely passive here, or I see quite often people do this when it's getting hard for them. Alternatively, this happens, all of which are incorrect. So we didn't talk about the commands with the squat and the deadlift because they're not as complex. But with bench and competition, most people when they're training just to bench for the sake of bench pressing, they don't have any pause and they just, well, as long as I can move the weight, great. In competition, we have 3 commands that we have to listen to without considering all the form that we have to have with the points of contact and everything else. We have, the ref will give us 3 commands. The first will be the start command, so we will have to unrack, show control of the weight. Our feet are on the floor, we're completely locked out. At that point the ref will say start. Then you can lower to your chest, you must pause on your chest, then the ref will say press, you'll press it out and you hold it with control, and then they'll say rack and you can put the bar away. If you move before any of those commands, it's a no lift.